Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back into my kitchen. Yes, we will stay today now in my kitchen and we will be making one of my favorite empanada, beef empanada. Of course, you can make chicken empanada or something sweet. Once I make mango empanada, which is very delicious. This is a personal preference. So first of all, I want to cheers you guys. Thank you for your support, for your time. It's greatly appreciated here always. So come and join me. Cheers to everyone. This is for you guys, Chardonnay. Let's do it. Heat up your coconut oil in medium heat. Beautifully brown for about 10-12 minutes. I will add up the onions. Mix it well. Garlic goes in. Onion and garlic cook well for a few minutes with the meat. And now we will put all these hard vegetables in. Carrots, batati, the sweet potato, and the potatoes. Hard vegetables cook for a few minutes with the meat, and now the paprika goes in. That's half red and half of yellow paprika. Mixed well, let it heat up, and we will season it. Guys, looking good and smelling so good already, even without the seasoning. Now we will put some black pepper. I love black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper goes in. A bit of soy sauce. I have Maggi here. Dashes of soy sauce. A bit of curry powder, all dashes of it. All the herbs you want, all the seasoning you want, you can put. It's personal preference. I will put the paprika, teaspoon of paprika, some curcuma in finish, it's turmeric. Yum. And our green peas. You can omit any of these ingredients, seasoning that you don't want. You can put a bit of chili as well. I'm putting Himalayan salt now, a dash. Not so much because I will be using bouillon. So I will put some pizza herbs already. A teaspoon. That would be good. Let's mix it. Just look at the color, guys. The colors. I will put half a cup of water. Just tap water in there. I put all in all 1.5 cups of water. You can put 2. Depends on you. It's in medium heat. Cover it up and simmer it for about 5 minutes. And when it's really hot, you can put the bouillon. I will use beef cubes. Le Creuset. Boiling while, guys, you can crumble your, I will use 2 beef cubes. Yes. Mix it well. And then we'll simmer it until all the liquids are absorbed and evaporated. So we will be cooking the vegetables, of course, potatoes, carrots, and batati, the sweet potato. and let all this goodness, seasoning, all the taste incorporate, and it will be a good feeling for our, yes, for our empanada, the turnover pie. Simmered, smelling so good, guys. We're ready here. Our filling for our empanada, the turnover pie, is ready. Actually, you can enjoy it as well for your sandwich with rice or with quinoa or with couscous. It's really good with a bit of chili or fish sauce on the side. It's personal preference, and that's it. You can make omelette out of it as well. So just let it cool down and scramble maybe half or 1/4 of it. Scramble it with the egg and fry it as an omelette. So you have a high protein with additional value to your omelette. Meat, that's a beef. Of course, you can use chicken as well, tofu for vegetarian, or tempeh or other meat substitute. Yes, guys, this is ready. So what I have to do is to prepare our empanada dough, which is also very easy and quick. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Mixing the flour and the Himalayan salt there now. A teaspoon or half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. The butter. This will be messy, but you can use your electric mixer as well. So it's crumbly. That's what we're looking for. And we will add the egg. Room temperature egg. And half of a cup of milk. And just mix it. Just mix it well until everything is well mixed. Not to need too much, so you still have the crunchy dough. On a floured tabletop, cut it in half. Knead until smooth. Nice. See how smooth it is? Lovely. We'll cover this now with the cling film, both of it. We got 2 balls here. And let it rest in the fridge in cold for about 30 minutes. Then it's easier to handle, and we will make our empanada with our fillings, beef and veggies. Yummy. Stay tuned, guys. So that's it guys for now, and thank you for watching. Your time and support is greatly appreciated always. So stay safe, stay well, healthy, happy, and connected, and I'll see you in my next video. Go and try this easy empanada turnover recipe. I'm sure you will love this for your family, for your friends, and for yourself. Yes, enjoy. Bye. Lots of love to all. So yummy.